Alright, taking a look at number 7. In number 7, they tell us that arc HEG is 280 degrees. Alright, so that spans over two of the sections of the arc, all the way here from H through E and then on to G. Now they also tell us that angle HGE is 100. That's this angle in here. Alright, so first thing we know is the inscribed angle is half the intercepted arc. So we can come out here and this arc is going to be 200. Alright, now that 200 takes care of this section. Alright, it was 280 all the way to G, but just to E was 200, so that leaves 80 degrees left for that section of the arc. Now, once we have that 80, we can do that the measure of angle DGE equals 1/2 the intercepted arc, which is 80. So the measure of angle DGE is going to equal 40 degrees. Alright, so we know it's going to be a 40-degree angle right down in there. Alright, hope that helped.